What's up, ladies and gentlemen? My name is Mingo, and this is Mingo Boys Nerd Stuff. You ever wonder why your audio and your video don't quite sync up? You probably haven't set your delay. I'm going to show you how to do that in just a sec. Now, setting your delay is one of those things that many new streamers overlook. If you're playing directly from a PC, it shouldn't be a problem because everything is pretty much live, right? Your PC is running your video game, it's running your OBS, it's running your audio, whether it's through your mic or maybe some Spotify music or YouTube music or some other video in the background. All that thing is synced up because it's happening real time on your PC. Where you're going to run into a problem is when you're streaming from a console that's connected to your PC through an external capture card. What's happening is that your video is going through your HDMI into your capture card and passing through onto your monitor, but before it does that, it passes through the USB cable into your PC where it's being transcoded, and that's where the delay is. Now, accounting for this delay is pretty straightforward. You just have to remember to do it. First thing you need to do is determine your issue. Now, typically, the issue is that bass cam and mic audio is happening before the actual video gameplay is going on. So for example, if you're playing a horror game and your audience sees you have a jump scare, they're going to see you scream and hear you scream before whatever happens on the game happens. So the way you're going to adjust for that is by adjusting the delay on the mic and on the webcam at the same time. And you're going to set them to the same settings. So the first thing you're going to do is come over to the webcam, wherever it is in the source. You're going to right click it in filters. Up here where it says audio video filters, you'll hit the little plus sign and select video delay async. Just hit OK. Now, over here, it'll show you where the delay is in milliseconds. Start off by setting it at 700. And as you can see, my mic and my video is not synced, not at this point. Because the next thing you gotta do is sync your audio. So hit OK or hit close. Now over here, under your mic audio levels, you're gonna hit the little cog and then jump down to advanced audio properties. Where it says mic in the middle, or wherever it is that yours says mic aux, there's going to be a column that says sync offset milliseconds. Set that to the same thing that you set the video delay at. Hit close. And now if I come back over to my webcam again, you'll see that my voice and my webcam are both synced up together. Once you have that set, go ahead and do a test run by recording some video of you playing a video game, and just like you would if you were streaming, and then look at the recording, see if it's syncing up. If it's not syncing up, I would adjust both of them at the same time again. I would adjust it up or down in increments of 15 or 25 until you get it right. Another thing to consider is if you're streaming through your console through OBS and an external capture card, there are other delays that you have to account for as well. If you use sound effects, or if you use Spotify for music, or if you use YouTube for music, or if you're watching a video that one of your viewers might have sent you, you're going to want to set your desktop audio delay as well, because then that's also going to be out of sync. The way you do that is exactly the same way. You'll just go to your desktop audio, click the cog there, hit advanced properties, click on desktop audio and set the same delay there. Hit close and you're good to go. The final thing you'll need to consider is that if you are fortunate enough to be able to stream both PC games and console games, you have to remember to change this delay back, because PC games, if you're streaming them, won't have a delay and it will just mess it up again. So you can either do it the hard way and just remember through trial and error that you have to set it at different settings depending on what games you're playing, or if you're using regular OBS, I'm not sure about the other streaming softwares, but in plain old OBS you can set different profiles. Now I can't show you how to do that here because while I'm recording, the profile is actually ghosted out here, but you're going to go ahead and select, just like under scene selection here, you're going to select new under profile, right? And you make one that's named PC streaming and another one named console streaming. So the settings for these two will be self-evident. Your PC streaming profile will have no delays, and your console streaming profile will have all the delays that you need for your stream. That way, the only thing that you need to remember when you hit that go live button is whether or not you're streaming from a PC or from a console, and all your settings will be ready to go. There you have it, folks. It's pretty simple. Nothing that's too complicated. Now, if you have any questions or if you need me to clarify anything, go ahead and leave me a comment below, and I'll try my best to clarify what it is that I was trying to tell you. If you like the video, go ahead and hit that little like button, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to click on that little bell icon to get notified of my new videos, which are usually posted Wednesday morning at 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Don't forget to check out my Twitch channel. That's twitch.tv/Mingo Boys Nerd Stuff. I'm live every Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday from 9 p.m. Eastern to about 11:30, depending on where I'm at in the game. You guys have a wonderful week. Peace. None of this BS. Ooh, duck, what's wrong with you? You got your head. It's a good way to get your head chopped off, man. That guy just died? Oh, it just killed the dude. Nice. Kill it for me. Nice. Excellent. Excellent. Oh my God. Jesus. Christmas. Jesus.
What's wrong with you? Just scream and talk. Every 5 minutes there's something, a bomb or something. I'm leaving.
Brady, did you have that on copy paste? What's up, nah people? Nah peoples. How you doing, girl? So good to see you. How are the things that do the things?